Hi, this is John with aFe. If your valves aren't working, you may have an issue with the controller and the remote being paired. So the first thing you want to do is locate your controller. We're here on a bench. Normally it would be under your hood. First thing you want to do is open the controller. The next thing you want to do is make sure there's a red light next to a reset button. You find the reset button and push it for 10 seconds or until the light on the other side of the button goes out. Then you'll push the reset button one more time, release it, hold the on and the off button on the remote, then press the reset button one more time. At that point, you can try it and the valve should work. There are lights that indicate that it's working on the controller. That should take care of your problem. If everything's working properly, put the cover back on and you should be good to go. If you have issues, please contact aFe at afepower.com.